Welcome to Embsew. Hi friends, today I'm sharing how to embroider the stem stitch. Stem stitch is one of the easiest to be done and perhaps even one of the first stitches to be taught to any beginner. And this is the first video of Embsew. Let's start now. The first, I draw a line with a pencil. I will be embroidering this stitch from left to right. This instruction is for right-handed learners. I use 3 strands of thread for this stitch, keeping the thread below the needle. Now I will use stem stitch to embroider a grass. You can also embroider a tree branch, words, borders, or roses. This stitch is used a lot and is very popular. Stem stitch is used for straight and detail with moderate curvature. Tree trunks, vines, flower branching, or walks in row and filling. The reverse of the fabric will give you a back stitch pattern. If it is an outline stitch, hold the thread above the needle. I will practice this embroidery style in the next video. Hope you enjoy my video. If you like, don't forget to like and subscribe for the new videos. Thank you for watching.